Hey all, Derek from Q's in Amherst, New Hampshire. What I want to show you is a truck that's behind me. It's one of our customers' trucks that had broke down on the road, was getting towed by a tow company, and the tow driver happened to have it up a little too high, made contact with a bridge. So what we actually ended up doing is we had to replace the first and second outer booms, and then we also had to take the crane off the truck and do an inspection of the rotation bearings, replace the mount bolts, redo all the turret bolts and nuts, and retorque everything. So this was one of our bigger projects that we did, and what we're doing is we finished it up and we're getting ready to do a full operational check on it. So we'll be showing you more videos of that in a minute. Okay, so in the previous video I gave a brief description of what we did to this truck, and then in the video prior to this you guys got to see the operational check. We did a full rotation at full extension, and what I wanted to do was go over some of the details that we did to this truck. As you can see, the boom is in its stowed position right now, but we actually got with some of the Elliott engineers and asked them what we needed to look at, what are some of the things that need to be inspected, and what they came back with was we needed to actually check the deflection to see basically if the boom had bent or kind of crowned in a way due to the impact of the bridge. And then we also had to do what they call an NDI, non-destructive inspection, which is basically just looking for abnormal cracks in some of the more crucial areas. And what we found was the outer boom, the white part, was good, and most of the inner booms needed to be replaced. We had a couple minor structural things that needed to be either re-welded or bent back up, but nothing that was going to compromise the overall integrity of the crane. Again, this was one of our bigger projects. I think the overall turnaround time from the time we got the parts was roughly 5 weeks. Took us a couple months to get the parts because they actually had to manufacture the booms. These are not high replacement items, so they don't keep them in stock. So those are just some of the key points that I wanted to go over with you. If you guys have any questions about the project that we had to do, or if you have any questions of similar trucks, go ahead and give us a call, 603-889-4071, or visit our website, cuesequip.com, cuesequip.com, and click subscribe on the bottom and watch more of our YouTube videos.